Imagine it's Monday morning, 8:45 a.m., and you walk into your day like you're entering a crowded event hall. There are people calling your name, messages waiting, emails piling up, tasks everywhere, and everything feels urgent. You sit down, open your inbox, and within minutes you feel overwhelmed. You read one email, then another, and before you know it, an hour has passed and you have not actually moved anything forward. Now imagine that same event, but this time you walk in with a plan. You know who to speak to first, what to handle quickly, what to ignore, and what can wait. You move with direction instead of reacting to everything. That is the difference between manual work and automated thinking. In this lesson, I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT to handle emails and admin work in a way that saves you time, reduces stress, and helps you stay in control of your day. We are not talking about theory, we are talking about real tasks you deal with every day, like replying to emails, writing messages, organizing information, and handling repetitive work. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to use ChatGPT to write emails quickly, respond professionally, summarize long messages, create templates, and automate parts of your daily admin work without needing technical skills. Let's start with something very simple. Most people spend too much time thinking about emails. They read the same message multiple times, they overthink the reply, and they delay sending it. With ChatGPT, you remove that delay. Instead of staring at your screen, you type this. Write a polite email replying to a customer, asking about a delayed delivery, include an apology and a solution. Within seconds, you get a complete email. Now remember what you learned in the previous lessons. The first answer is not final, so you refine it. Make it shorter and more direct. Then refine again. Add a friendly tone and reassure the customer. Now your email is ready to send. You did not overthink. You did not waste time. You moved forward. Now let's go deeper. There are three main types of emails you deal with regularly: replies, new messages, and follow-ups. Let's start with replies. Replies are the easiest to automate because you already have the message. Instead of thinking about what to say, you copy the message into ChatGPT and type this. Write a professional reply to this email, keep it clear and polite, and include a solution if needed. You get a response. Now you refine it if needed. Make it more concise, or make it more friendly, or add a clear next step. This process saves you time instantly. Now let's talk about writing new emails. Sometimes you need to start from scratch. For example, you want to reach out to a client. Instead of thinking too much, you type this. Write a short and professional email offering social media services to a small business owner. Highlight the benefits and keep it clear. You get a full email ready to use. Now refine it. Make it more persuasive and add a call to action. Now your email becomes stronger. Now let's talk about follow-up emails. These are emails people often avoid because they feel uncomfortable. But ChatGPT makes it easier. You type this. Write a polite follow-up email to a client who has not responded. Keep it professional and friendly. You get a message. Now refine it. Make it more direct but still polite. Now you have a follow-up message that feels confident. Now let's move beyond emails into admin work. Admin work includes things like organizing information, summarizing messages, creating documents, and managing tasks. Let's start with summarizing. Sometimes you receive long emails or documents. Instead of reading everything slowly, you paste the text into ChatGPT and type this. Summarize this email into key points and highlight the important actions. Now you get a clear summary. This saves time and helps you focus on what matters. Now let's talk about organizing tasks. You can use ChatGPT to turn information into action. For example, you type this. Create a simple to-do list based on these tasks and organize them by priority. Now you have a clear plan. Now let's talk about templates. Templates are one of the most powerful ways to save time. Instead of writing the same type of email again and again, you create a template once and reuse it. For example, you type this. Create a professional email template for responding to customer complaints. Include an apology, explanation, and solution. Now you have a template you can use anytime. You just adjust the details. This is how you automate repetitive work. Now let's bring everything together into a simple workflow you can use daily. Step 1. Identify the task. Is it an email, a message, or a document? Step 2. Give ChatGPT a clear instruction. Step 3. Review the response. Step 4. Refine it using follow-up prompts. Step 5. Use or send the result. This process keeps you moving forward. Now let's look at real-life examples again. Imagine a busy mum managing work and home tasks. She has emails from school, work, and family. Instead of reading everything slowly, she uses ChatGPT to summarize messages. Summarize this email and tell me what action I need to take. Now she knows exactly what to do. Then she replies quickly using ChatGPT. Write a short reply confirming I have received this and will follow up. Now she saves time and reduces stress. Now imagine a freelancer managing multiple clients. He receives several emails every day. Instead of spending hours replying, he uses ChatGPT. Write a professional reply to this client, updating them on progress and asking for feedback. Now he sends clear and consistent messages. Now imagine a small business owner handling customer inquiries. She uses ChatGPT to respond faster. Write a friendly reply to a customer asking about product availability and include helpful information. Now she provides better service. This is how ChatGPT helps you manage admin work efficiently. Now let's talk about automation mindset. Automation does not mean removing all work. It means reducing repeated effort. Every time you find yourself doing the same task again, ask yourself, can I create a prompt or template for this? If the answer is yes, you automate it. Now let's take it further. You can combine multiple steps. For example, you type this, read this email, summarize it, and write a professional reply. Now you have both understanding and response in one step. This is how you work smarter. Now I want you to practice this immediately. Open ChatGPT and type this. Write a short and polite email responding to a customer complaint and include a solution. Then refine it, make it more friendly, make it shorter, add reassurance. Now you have a strong email. This is the skill you need to build. Now before we finish, remember the event analogy. Your day is like a busy event. Emails, messages, and tasks are people trying to get your attention. Without a system, you react to everything. With a system, you move with control. ChatGPT is your assistant in that event. It helps you respond faster, organize better, and stay focused. Now, if you are thinking, I want to go deeper and learn how to use this to save time, improve my work, or even offer admin services to others, then this is your next step. Inside Digital Skills Academy, we show you exactly how to use ChatGPT for emails, admin work, and real workflows that save time and create value. You will learn how to build templates, handle tasks faster, and turn this into a skill you can use daily or offer as a service. If that sounds like something you want, check the link in the description and join Digital Skills Academy today. In the next lesson, I will show you how to use ChatGPT for research and summarizing information so you can learn faster and make better decisions. Remember this, you do not need to do everything manually, you just need a better way to handle it. And once you learn that, everything becomes easier. I will see you in the next lesson.